Over in the US, the FBI is investigating a rise in violent activity directed at Elon Musk's Tesla, calling it an act of domestic terrorism. FBI Director Kash Patel confirmed the probe and said that the Bureau has in fact intensified its crackdown on such incidents in recent days. While details on the specific threats remain unclear, Tesla has faced increasing scrutiny and backlash amid ongoing political and industry tensions as well. Patel vowed that those responsible would be caught and brought to justice. Airbus is in discussions with European nations for new defense and space contracts as the continent ramps up military spending. The company's defense chief highlighted growing interest in space assets, including alternatives to Elon Musk's Starlink, as well as increased demand for aerospace capabilities like strategic airlift. Meanwhile, the company's commercial chief warned that trade tensions and potential tariffs could also impact the aerospace industry, though it's still too early to assess the full impact. China's Commerce Minister has welcomed Apple CEO Tim Cook to expand investment in the country amid ongoing trade tensions with Washington. According to an official statement, the two discussed Apple's business in China and broader economic relations as well. Cook was in Beijing for the China Development Forum, where global business leaders are meeting, with some expected to hold talks with President Xi Jinping later this week. Now, Apple remains a key player in China despite increasing regulatory and geopolitical pressures. Hyundai Motor Group has unveiled a massive $21 billion investment in the US, with President Donald Trump announcing the deal at the White House. Now, the investment includes a $5.8 billion steel plant in Louisiana, set to create over 1,400 jobs and supply Hyundai's auto factories in Alabama and Georgia both. Additionally, Hyundai also plans to invest $9 billion to boost vehicle production and another $6 billion in partnerships for AI, robotics and autonomous driving as well. The announcement comes ahead of the opening of Hyundai's new $7.59 billion car and battery plant in Georgia. Chinese tech giant Xiaomi has raised $5.5 billion in an upsized share to scale to accelerate its electric vehicle expansion. The company sold 800 million shares in Hong Kong, offering a 6.6% discount to its latest closing price. Now, Xiaomi is the world's third largest smartphone manufacturer. For your perspective, it entered the EV market last year with the launch of its SU7 or SU7 sedan. The funds will go towards research, technology development and business growth as Xiaomi pushes deeper into the competitive EV industry.